ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we don't have any trade setup to look for. But the only thing was after that, there was an opportunity to look for the short-term trade. But as I see, it's not a really good idea. That's why we didn't have any update on that. Okay. And from what we can see here, there is no much changes. Still, we are within this corrective zone. Okay. By the way, first of all, we move to daily chart. You want to see what we have been based on daily chart. And as we can see, based on daily chart, we have been within this sharp move. That's why if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we have to get the correction. Any sharp move, it follow with the correction. Okay. But the good thing is the correction is not, it didn't turn to a deep correction, similar to what we have here. If anyone wants both at the top, still they have a time to manage the trade. Okay. And now the question is, if we get this kind of the correction, mostly we can expect for the continuation. But still, we have to be quite careful that if there is a continuation, it can turn with a deeper correction for next move. Maybe we get similar to what we get here. All right. That's why if anyone wants to buy at the top, they need to be really careful because the price is at the top, the highest price, 3.5. Okay. Okay. But we don't have any trade setup yet. And if I move to forward chart, similar to what we explained, we have this corrective move and we see the divergence. We cannot trade it. We don't have any trade setup unless we trade based on lower time frame, we trade based on for short term, and even based on 1 hour chart. How about if the price sharply continue from here? The only way is to have entry above the top. In case this is the one is going to give us one move, but having entry above the top will be a is mean we're buying at the highest price. And how about if the price tag and reverse? If we don't have a lock, then okay, that's why if anyone wants to get the entry above this, they need to be really risky. And I still am thinking we are within this corrective zone. That's why I won't suggest it to have entry above this. Any trade within this, we consider as a short-term trade. Maybe we can look at this if we see whether we can get the trade set up or not. I prefer to wait and see the confirmation for the next move. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.